And no, it's not my birthday. Oh, can I have some cake? Yes, you can have some cake. It's 50 cents a slice. And then people are like, oh, okay, I'll take one or I'll take two. And then word got out and started spreading. And all of a sudden, people started buying cake. I sold out. I baked some more. I sold out. I baked cupcakes because I could get more cupcakes with the same amount of ingredients, increasing the profits while still delivering value. And that just started. And then that turned into 5 lockers with snacks and candy for sale. Some of y'all never heard the backstory there. So, but what I learned is I didn't know how to bake a cake. But here's the big breakthrough. God was showing me in that process that it doesn't matter if you don't know how to bake a cake. What? Yeah. It does not matter. If you want to bake a cake, it does not matter that you do not know how to bake a cake. Why does it not matter that you don't know how to bake a cake if you want to bake a cake? Because there's a recipe. You don't need to know how. You just need to find the recipe and follow it. So when I found out about Betty Crocker, and in the back of the box, it said, look, here is the recipe. Here are the steps to follow to bake a cake. Here's everything you need to bake a cake for it to come out successfully. At that point, wow. So I don't have to think. I don't have to guess. I know from that moment, I never had to wonder, can I bake a cake? I never had to struggle with the idea of, can I succeed? Yes, I can succeed at anything as long as I identify the success system and follow the recipe.